How can emotional abuse affect a person's mental health? Emotional abuse may not leave bruises, pero ang epekto nito sa mental health ay sobrang lalim. Unti-unti nitong winawasak ang self-esteem mo. You begin to question your worth, your choices, even your sanity. Lagi kang nag-a-adjust, natatakot kang magkamali kasi baka may masabi na naman siya na makakasakit. Over time, you feel anxious, exhausted, at parang wala ka ng boses. Hindi mo na rin alam kung sino ka without their approval. Emotional abuse drains the life out of you silently. And the scariest part, minsan, di mo agad na-realize na abused ka na. Kaya mahalaga ang awareness. Your mental health matters. You deserve peace, respect, and love that doesn't confuse or control you. At kung kailangan mo ng tulong, huwag kang mahiyang humingi. Speaking up is not weakness, it's the first step to healing. Like this content, follow for more.